Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Sosis Bandari. Let's get straight into it. So we're going to start off with 2 brown onions. Slice through the middle, and we just want to slice these. Now it doesn't have to be too thin, because you want to be able to feel the texture. Next we're going to bring across 2 potatoes. I'm just using red potatoes for this. Obviously we want to peel that first. And with our potatoes, just slice through the middle, through the center again. We just want to dice these, but try and get them a bit smaller. Don't go too coarse, because they're going to take longer to cook. So if your potatoes are a bit too thick, then slice it into 3 like that, just so you can get smaller pieces. So next thing we need is of course the star of our show, which is the sausages. Now I'm going to do this based on 6, and I'm just using skinless franks for this. Now you can cut these any way you like. I'm going to keep them a bit traditional, so just slice through the middle, just like that. And basically you just want to cut these into a half moon shape like that. Now don't go too thin, you want it thick like that, at least a centimetre. Now in my case I am using beef sausages, but you can use anything you like. I've also seen it commonly made with chicken sausages, so that's just up to you. So that's our sausages cut up there now. So let's move on to our stove. So just into a pot I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and just on the medium heat we're going to start by adding in our onions and potatoes. And we just want to very lightly cook this for around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so we're at the 10-minute mark now. As you can see, the colour is changing very nicely, but also our potatoes have started to cook as well. So what we're going to do now is add our sausages in. So just straight in. And we just want to stay on a medium heat still. Now we're going to season this now too. So we'll start with 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 crushed garlic cloves, What we're going to do now is add in a 1/4 cup of tomato paste, along with half a cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of saffron water. Give that a good mix together. And we're going to place a lid on it, and just on a low to medium heat, cook this for around 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, so we're at the 15-minute mark now. Just how beautiful does that look? The sauce has reduced nicely, and everything has cooked very well. So let's go ahead and serve this. Just how beautiful is that? You know, I'm not gonna lie, Persian food is very interesting. We have a lot of exotic dishes. Obviously our kebabs are #1. But something like this, just quick and easy, is very, very nice. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.